It's July 29th, 2015. Microsoft has announced Windows 10 to the public. Get the best Windows ever. Upgrade for free. 1. 1? Oh, what is... Oh, it's a legal term. Let's read it together. Yes, free. This upgrade offer is for full version of Windows 10 on a trial. 3GB download record. Internet access fee may apply. To take advantage of the free offer, you must upgrade to Windows 10 with a 1-year availability. Once you upgrade, you have Windows 10 for free on that device. Get it? Got it? Good. Many customers took the opportunity to upgrade from Windows 7 or Windows 8 to Windows 10. Today is July 29th, 2020. 5 years since Windows 10 came to market. In this video, we will be upgrading every version of Windows 10 from RTM to version 2004. So let's do this. Oh look, we're in Windows 7 land. So here, I have a Windows 7 virtual machine, complete with Firefox, Microsoft Edge. Wait, why do I have Microsoft Edge on Windows 7? Oh yeah, that's right. Microsoft forced Microsoft Edge to Windows 7, despite the fact that Windows 7 support has ended. Oh boy. And if you're a developer, here's Visual Studio Code that you can get coding. I have also installed Media Player Classic. And yes, that is the song name. I am not making this up. Okay? I have Steam, Discord, Spotify, and Paint.net, both working on Windows 7. You get the idea. I have some pictures such as the blob, which is my profile picture. I am also running Windows 7 Home Premium. This is to demonstrate what a normal user would do when they upgrade the computer. First and foremost, this is the RTM, or the first publicly available version of Windows 10, aka build 10240. The setup interface is similar to Windows 8. No, I do not want to get important updates. Let me go ahead and click next. Let's read the licensing terms and number of weeks. Alright, so it's installing Windows 10 on Windows 7. We'll be back after a snap of my finger. So if you don't know, this is what the upgrade screen used to look like. It's too bad that Microsoft didn't keep this design. I love this design a lot more better than what we have. Adding on to that, it tells you what it's doing at the bottom, rather than just say upgrading Windows, please wait. And here we are, welcome back. And look, there's my blob. I am a happy little blob with the pen. Let me go ahead and put my password in. Sure, I would love to get going fast. I would love to use the Express settings. And there are some new applications with Windows 10. But I am not really interested with Microsoft Edge or music, so I'm going to untick that. Okay, let's start. It says, so here we are, we're on the Windows 10 desktop. One thing that's different is that the VMware tools did not make it to Windows 10, so I need to fix that. Updating Steam, Discord opening, Spotify already open in the background, so most of the applications from Windows 7 works on Windows 10, obviously. So let's see what's new. Okay, thank you, Windows 10. I don't care about an update for OneDrive. What happened to my blob? What did you do to my profile picture, Windows 10? You literally lied to me. You showed me my profile picture, but did not manage to keep the profile picture. So let's go ahead and install it. And my desktop is broken. What is going on here? I need to repair VMware tools because I can get the native resolution VMware tools running and my mouse driver. So let's do that. Hey, my desktop is fixed and my sound scheme from Windows 7 is also here. So let me go ahead and change it. And never mind, my desktop broke again. As I was saying, let me go ahead and change the resolution to a much more native and modern. So let's do that. And my desktop is fixed again. So in all seriousness, let's take a tour with Windows 10. Getting started is what many people might... Wait, you're connected to the internet. But I am connected to the internet Windows 10. I think the servers are down. So, of course, Skype. Install Skype. Sticky notes. Hey, there's previous sticky notes that whoever views the machine is kept. So that's good. There's a calendar application too. Oh, why do I need to log in with an account? Just use the calendar. Here's mail. To check your email, you can add an account for an email. I like how Google, Yahoo, and iCloud and other accounts have an icon. This is Project Spartan. Project Microsoft Ads. There's a built-in browser for Windows 10, but it's kind of ironic that Microsoft Edge is on the desktop. So here's the Photos application, and I do not want to log in with a Microsoft account. Hi, Barnsley Body. Cortana. Would you like to? Yeah. Yeah, I like that. I absolutely adore that. I love that. Yeah, I do love that. Let's click next. Now, of course, you gotta go to your legal stuff. You can call me A. Of course of course gotta log in with a Microsoft. Whoa! What the? Cortana, what are you doing? Jeez, I do not want to switch to a Microsoft account. Oh my god. Let's check out the weather at Los Angeles, California. It's sunny, partly sunny. Awesome. Here's the map for your meteorologist needs, and apparently why are we in Mexico? Where are we going now? Why are we going over? Okay, I think the Maps app is broken. I can't even go back to California or United States, and RTM of Windows 10 is quite buggy. Maybe that's why many people don't like Windows 10. And where are we now? Why are we in the Atlantic Ocean? There's the phone comparison app that you can install the Microsoft applications to your phone. It's kind of funny that it's showcasing Windows Phone even though, we gotta log in with a Microsoft account. And here is a depressing Windows Store, which no one goes to. I like how the fact that there's iTunes and Prime Video and Netflix and iCloud. Of course, most of the applications don't work because you need a newer version of Windows 10. So I guess I need a newer version of Windows to get iTunes. Oh, full blocks. What a joke. Hey, it's Slither and Asphalt 8 and all that good games. This is what the Windows settings used to look like. It looks very basic and it kind of looks like something from Samsung things. Maybe Samsung got the inspiration. Anyway, we got apps and features, multitasking, tablet mode, power sleep, storage, and the settings app crashed. Fun fact, this release of Windows 10 never shipped with dark mode. And get this, you cannot make the title bar color. You cannot pick a title bar color. That wasn't a thing back then, okay? There's no features. Oh, of course, the theme opens up. Yeah, my theme is a high contrast theme called Basic. That's my theme. I love my theme. I'm not gonna give you my theme because it's unique. Oh, of course Windows will do an update. Oh my gosh, hold on. I have disabled the Windows update services so it won't do an update. So we got the Xbox app and I did not want to sign in. Don't you just love it when you got two versions of Microsoft Edge? The UWP version compared to the Win32 version? Yeah, me too. Paint.net doesn't seem to work on Windows 10 RTM. I think because .NET Framework 4.2 didn't come pre-installed on Windows 10. And do you just love it where Windows 10 just suddenly forget what app to open, despite the fact that you chose to open it with a specific program? But no, you have to go to this weird thing again. Again, you get the idea. We got 3D Builder, which you can build things and save it off or print it with a 3D printer. Boop, boop. Oh, okay, it's gone. I like how the fact we got two Microsoft Edge shortcut in the start menu now. Apparently one out in icon, and this is Python. Yeah, I forgot to mention that I installed Python just for the LOL. The command prompt looks squished for some reason. Oh, because the updated command prompt did not make it to the RTM build of Windows 10. I forgot about that. Windows 10 allows you to send feedback. Oh wait, you have to log to your Microsoft account. No thank you. I said no thank you. My god, people are annoying. Oh, speaking about dark theme and Windows 10 RTM, there's a unofficial way to add dark theme. 3, 2, 1, boom. Yep, here we are. We got dark theme in Windows 10 RTM. Oh wait, how do you get dark theme if there's no option? Simple. I have to do a registry tweak using regedit. Yes, I have to use the registry just to get dark theme on Windows 10 RTM. By the way, if you do not like Windows 10, there is an option to go back to Windows 7. What? Sorry, but you can't go back. The files we need to take you back to the previous version of Windows PC. Excuse me. Well, I guess we're stuck here now. That's kind of sad. We can't even go back to Windows 7 if people don't like about Windows 10. Maybe that's why many people hate Windows 10. Anyway, let's move on to the next version of Windows 10. My background broke again. How many times will my background break? So we're going to install version 15. Can't go back to Windows. You know I can't go back to Windows 7 to begin with, right? I can't go back. So why are you giving me a message saying that I don't know. So we're going to upgrade from 1507 to 1511, also known as the Windows 10 November 2015 update. This is classified as the first feature update for Windows 10. So yes, I disconnected from the internet to prevent Windows from installing updates, and Steam is already complaining. So this is 1511. Also known as again the November 2015 update. This is the update where most of the bug fixes happened and some new features. For some reason, Microsoft or this particular build of Windows 10 forgot what app to open. I literally told you to open with Media Player Classic, and I checked on don't remind me again, but no, I went back to the default player just to market Groove Music. Fun fact, Groove Music used to have its monthly subscription services for unlimited music but failed, so they killed the platform entirely. 1511 brought some bug fixes and some refinements to the applications, such as the Windows Store, Maps, Weather, and some built-in applications. The sticky app or the stickies I made back in Windows 7 still work. Cortana is continuing to be annoying than ever. Also, good news is that the weather map bug has been fixed with version 1511, so I can now move the map freely without worrying about going to Atlantic Ocean like last time. There are some noticeable updates. For this update, you can now add color to the title bars, but one caveat is that doing so, you're going to make the start menu, taskbar, and action center use the same accent color. But at least you got color in the title bar, am I right? And my theme is still called basic. Paint.net still refuses to run. However, Visual Studio Code, Spotify, Media Player Classic, Discord, Steam, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox continue to work no problem. With this build, you can now go back to the previous build no problem. Apparently, Microsoft noticed that there was a critical bug where some people cannot go back to Windows 7. Even Microsoft admitted it to themselves that there was a bug. So this is the Windows 10 Anniversary Update, also known as version 1607, which took Microsoft almost a year to get a new update out. Right off the bat, we got the most depressing update screen you could ever ask for. Thanks, Microsoft. So this is the Windows 10 Anniversary Update, and right off the bat, Steam is doing an update, and Discord already open. Spotify is already open, so that's nice. So there are a lot of new changes with the Anniversary Update, so let's do that right now. First and foremost, a brand new unified start menu. Now we got a list rather than like buttons to go to all apps, and we got a hamburger menu. Awesome. Otabo got a brand new user interface for search only, so that's nice. Why is there a white bar on the top? Okay, why is there a white bar on the top? The Windows Store got a revamp, but most of the applications still doesn't work because they need... Wait, hold on. The title is powered by great new features from free Windows Insider program. Or save big for this special offer? That does not make any sense at all, Windows. I don't get why most of the apps say that. I think it's a bug where it's trying to say something, but oh, I crashed the store. That's sad. Paint.net, however, still doesn't work. And apparently, yes, I know my wallpaper is broken. It's been like that ever since the first Windows 10 release, okay? So most of the applications, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Steam, Discord, Spotify, and Visual Studio Code all run no problem. You get the idea. Media Player Classic also worked too. Introducing a brand new Windows settings interface. Now it looks a lot more what it looked like. We got icons for every single settings now. So there's that. Personalization got an update. However, themes go to there, and apparently I'm still basic. Good news is that you can now have title bar color enabled without having all the interface in Windows use the accent color. Do not like the Windows 10 anniversary update, you can always go back. Most of the applications, as stated before, has been updated, where we got a new 3D builder application and getting started now work.
Windows 10 combines the
Okay, thank you very much. I know what to do.
Windows.
You get the idea. I just realized Microsoft OneDrive has been updated, so now we get the brand new OneDrive icon with the legacy icons in Windows 10 anniversary update. I think it's funny. So my background is fixed. Next, we're going to install. Oh, by the way, we got a updated credential/user account control dialog UI. We're going to install the Windows 10 Creators Update, which was released in 2017, also known as version 1703. So let's do that right now. You get the idea. The whole setup procedures, the screen looks the same. Let's go ahead and jump to desktop. So right off the bat, we're in 1703, and right off the bat, my blob is back. That's nice. So we're booted back to the out-of-box experience to do some tweaking. So let's go ahead and boot to desktop. So here we are. We're in. For crying out loud, it broke again. Here we are in Windows 10 1703, the Creators Update. There are some new features added to this build. There are new applications added, and new tools that will be showcasing you in a bit. First and foremost, now we got the Google and Yahoo Mail icons respectively. The settings application got a minor tweak. I don't know if you see that, but you see it. There is a new application called Paint 3D that's included in the Windows 10 Creators Update. Microsoft made a big deal of 3D art and the goal to replace Microsoft Paint or MS Paint.exe from Windows 1.0 all the way to Windows 10. But many people don't like the idea, so many people don't even use Paint 3D, and many people continue to use the old Paint. The Windows Store got a update again, and we got the best-selling game. And why is Roblox on there? It's like every single time I open up the Microsoft Store, Roblox seems to come up there. Also, this update, video trailers now end up the thing still crashes. That's nice. As I was saying, video trailers for the apps now play in the background. The applications such as Microsoft Edge and can't you believe it, Paint.net starts working again. Yes, because .NET Framework 4 has been pre-installed in Windows 10 Creators Update. Steam. Hold on, maybe I didn't click that. Steam. Steam. Hello. Okay, Steam doesn't want to open. Okay. Discord works. Media Player Classic, Spotify, and Visual Studio Code works. Cortana works to an extent without.
Sorry about that.
Cortana works to an extent without a Microsoft account now. Now you can talk to Cortana. Hey, I fixed the desktop. Yeah, you can now talk to Cortana without a Microsoft account to an extent. Apparently, the command prompt is still using the old command prompt. For some reason, I don't know why, but upgrading from Windows 7 to Windows 10 directly doesn't replace the command prompt, or I could be wrong. I don't know. Most of the applications, such as sticky notes, removed to the Microsoft or Windows Ink workspace, where all of the previous sticky notes that I did now works on Windows 10, so I can still do some sticky note stuff. I forgot to mention the share dialog. Oh, that doesn't look good. The share dialog UI has been refined a bit. Now it doesn't open it from the side, from the right side of the screen now. There's a View 3D preview application where you can preview 3D programs, I think. 3D objects. Why is it all low quality? Maybe it's buffering. But yeah, as you can see, you can view 3D objects here in the 3D Viewer app. I did not know this, but Microsoft quietly acts Remix 3D website. We can't find any user-created models now because no other people use that application. But that's a waste because Microsoft made a huge big deal about 3D and the future of 3D, but that never took off. The Action Center now greets you saying, "Welcome to the Action Center." So that's pretty much it for the... there we go again. So that's pretty much it for the Creators Update. Next up is 1709, aka the Fall Creators Update. Same old setup screen, so we can all skip. We can skip it to the desktop. This is the Fall Creators Update. There are some new features added. Right off the bat, this is My People's app. Automatically pinned to the taskbar. But as you can see, the new start menu got... My back broke, but this is the part where Microsoft started to add fluent design elements to the Windows 10 operating system. We actually begin to see that in a little bit. But yeah, as you can see, we got the People app. The Action Center has been revamped to use fluent design. The Searches PC looks normal. Some of the applications has also been reworked on, such as Print 3D. We got Paint 3D, now we got Print 3D. How many 3Ds we're gonna add? TV 3D, I guess? The Microsoft Store. I mean, the Windows Store has been revamped again and it still crashes so many times, but again, the store has been revamped again. Which now you can buy Microsoft Office products. And why is OneNote so tiny compared to the other applications? I am beginning to worry that the command prompt will always remain the same of Windows 7 because I still don't have the click to select. I had to right click to click paste. I don't know, man. What's wrong with command prompt? So we got the new tips. So we got the new tips apps where you can like find tips and scripts on using Windows 10. Let's watch videos of Windows 10, I guess. Let's take a look.
In your favorite apps on the right, it's fully customized.
You get the idea. There's a new Get Office application where you can buy Microsoft Office through the application. Of course, you have to log in with a Microsoft account before you use OneNote. What a waste of time. Okay, so this is the part where fluent design was added. So when you hover over a setting button in the Windows settings, there's a acrylic effect. It looks faint for now because it's basic, but you get the point. Also, there's a new Cortana option in the Windows setting, which was lasted until version 2004. Now we're going to install... What the... As I was saying, my background broke, I know. Now we're going to install Windows 10. I lost count. Version 1803, which is released in 2018. There's the same setup interface, so we can just skip to that, to the desktop again. Here we are Windows 10 1803, and right off the bat, there's a lot more fluent design elements added to the entire system. There's apparently a Microsoft background broke. There's a Microsoft Edge old icon added. There's a brand new Microsoft Store. application. And what I'm gonna do right now is disable the Windows Update services so it doesn't automatically update without my consent. First things first, version 18.03 brought the new timeline feature and a brand new task list or task view interface. Applications continues to work as normal. I like how the fact that there's two Microsoft Edge shortcuts on the desktop and apparently the grid is broken. But as I was saying, there's two Microsoft Edge icons on my desktop now. Look at the new and the old. Which one do you prefer? Vote now. Sticky Notes continues to remember my notes. As you can see, the settings app now got the brand new acrylic on the sidebar now. Something that it looks familiar to something that looks like what we have today. Also, the Microsoft Store, which replaced the Windows Store, has a new interface that kind of looks similar to what we have right now, but the extra interface is quite different back then. The Microsoft Store's goal was to replace the old aging Windows Store. Oh, it shows up the old icon. How funny. Here's the new task view interface in more detail. Because I haven't used the PCs too often, the timeline feature doesn't work, so I'm sorry about that. Next up is the Windows 10 1809 update, also known as the October 2018 update. This update caused a lot of problems such as this is the part where stability in Windows 10 started to deteriorate, but we should move on. This is the Windows 10 October 2018 update, aka 1809, which is more buggier. So right off the bat, there was an app in the middle. When background broke, there was an app in the middle called phone comparison, but that was removed from Windows 10 completely. All the applications continues to work as normal, but we got a new search interface now. This is the part where Microsoft plans to separate Cortana and the Windows search functionality from Windows 10. So far, not much noticeable changes was added to this build or to this version, except some supposedly bug fixes and performance increases. But most of the applications so far continues to work as normal, including Paint. We got a dark theme file explorer now, something that many people will wanted. Due to the fact that the file explorer used so many legacy frameworks, Microsoft had to make a separate version just to make the file explorer only work with dark mode, which is sad, but they're able to do it. Microsoft added a snipping sketch tool that hopefully to replace the old aging snipping tool that existed from, is it Windows Vista or Windows 7? But yeah, the snipping tool. So you can just hold on the Windows key Shift S to take a screen grab, or you can use the snipping tool. But it's kind of funny because version 2004 still have the snipping tool. I'm pretty sure version 2009 won't have that. Yeah, the apps look the same. Microsoft Store still looks the same, but we can now install applications now. Although 1809 did not bring a lot of features except dark mode file explorer, it paved the way of the stability issues we have with Windows 10. So we're done with this build. Next up is build 1903. So 1903 promises a lot more improvement of stability than 1809. Right off the bat, we got a brand new setup interface, which Microsoft finally changed the interface rather than having purple as a theme. So this is 1903, and right off the bat, blurred to the wallpaper. So that's nice. 1903 brought some new changes. Oh, I'm not connected to internet. Let me fix that. There we go. We're now fixed. So right off the bat, Microsoft Edge now opens to the welcome to the best Windows ever. I don't think about that, but what happened here? I think CSS failed to load. There we go. Now that looks better. So welcome to the best Windows ever. Sure. Discord is working, Steam is working, Spotify is working, Firefox is also working, Paint.net is also working. And there's some applications with 1903 that is not loaded correctly. I don't know if this is normal, but most of the applications fail to load this time. So we need to reinstall them. Oh gosh, oh yeah, oh that's a lot of applications that got unloaded. I need to fix that. Oh boy, that doesn't look good at all. Starting with 1903, we got a system-wide light mode. So for your light theme fanboys out there, can rejoice. The ink workspace has been miniaturized now. We got whiteboard and full screen sketch. Because we don't have the sketch for the ink workspace, the old picture has been saved to our pictures for memories. So that's nice. Sticky Notes got a new overhaul and a brand new application. These go splash screens, and my whiteboard is done installing, so we're gonna check it out later. I decline. Wait. What? Oh, wait, no. Wait, that broke the app already? Doesn't open anymore. I declined it. Oops. Okay, welcome to the whiteboard, and for crying out loud, I need to log in with my Microsoft account just to use the whiteboard. Seriously? Even the most simple thing we need a Microsoft account for. What's next? Using a browser requires a Microsoft account? Well, at least I got sniffing sketch. Right off the bat, there's a dedicated Cortana button.
I can learn to understand you much better.
Okay, but yeah, as you can see, starting with 1903, we got a dedicated search. But unfortunately, it still uses the core of Cortana, so it's not separated, but it's getting there. Trust me. There's the brand new tips application with modernized tips of what you can do with Windows, what you can do, with how can you be productive, and more. So yes. Oh. Oh boy, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to bring up a Remix 3D catalog, but it failed. Because they modernized the 3D viewer application now, so you can like put 3D models in there and all that good stuff. It's not gonna replace Blender though. Blender still rock. Next up is Windows 10 version 1909. So we are getting there to the final and the most up-to-date version of Windows possible. Skip to desktop. That doesn't look good at all. But what app is causing it? Like, what apps? Okay. Okay, you're not gonna tell me? Okay, fine. Alright, here we are. Here we go. Welcome to Windows. Thank you very much. I feel welcome. And what the? An app default was reset? Excuse me? Oh, we're missing a lot of apps. We're missing some of the apps in these start making titles now. That doesn't look good. Stop thinking. I know what is missing. Oh my lord. So all the applications continues to work as fine. Now we got the Microsoft Edge as the main browser, and I forgot to include this before, but the previous build replaced the old Microsoft Edge with the new one. So that's sad. F for Edge. Also, the App Store cut was reset. Now to go back to the default player. No, Media Player Classic. Sticky Notes still remembers the apps, still remembers the stickies I have. So that's nice. Oh, that's new. We got a banner, the Microsoft or local account banner that I, for some reason, I do not have, but this virtual machine have. God, the VM is lucky. But yeah, that's more widespread now. I know, the Windows 10 versions is getting a little boring now. Like, there's not much new features being added. It's just some bug fixes, some minor detail updates, and more. So this is the Windows 10 2004 update. The latest and greatest update from Microsoft. Right off the bat, in 2004, we got a choose a privacy setting right for you. So this pops up when you update Windows. And so click done, and here we are. And I know I'm not connected to the internet. I do not know why. Let me go ahead and fix that. But yes, this is the latest and greatest version of Windows 10 up to date that this video has been pushed out for. Yep, as you can see, this is what we have here so far. The start menu looks a lot more polished a little. I couldn't say more because that's new. The katana and the search are finally broke apart now. They finally divorced now. Katana is now a separate Windows Store application. Here's the more technical info. Microsoft actually rewrote or recompiled the search application. Formerly it was formerly called searchui.exe, but it's now called searchapp.exe. So as you can see, this is a searchapp.exe, and Katana is a separate application in Windows 10. So hurrah for that! The sticky notes I made from Windows 7 is now here in the latest version of Windows 10, version 2004. I'm still mad that Windows 10 did not keep my profile picture, but we got a new default profile picture that looks a lot more darker and a lot more vibrant now. I missed my blob. But again, all the applications works flawlessly, so that's nothing new. So in conclusion, what have we learned today? We learned that today is Windows 10's 5th birthday. And to celebrate, Microsoft needs to do something for Windows 10. Some people might not like Windows 10, some people like Windows 10, and all that good stuff. But nevertheless, we have upgraded from Windows 7 all the way to Windows 10 version 2004. I hope this video shed some light of an experience of what people have to go through. Imagine this actually was the case where if you upgraded from Windows 7 to Windows 10. What if people went through that experience? I want to make a video about this to show how people would think if you upgrade every versions of Windows 10 available. So that wraps up the conclusion of this video experiment. Thank you for watching.